This is where I camped last night, just here on this little viewpoint. All the balloons went up over there. I've done a time lapse, so I'll show you the time lapse at some point in this video clip. I camped with these guys. They're from New Zealand, but they've motorbiked from Thailand. There were some French people here as well. They've just gone. We've just voted that they were the nicest French we've met. They were pretty sound. And yeah, go and find the hostel. Hostel somewhere down there. Not too sure where. And then tomorrow morning, getting in the hot air balloon ride. Okay, I'm just cycling briefly to the hostel. Down this track. So I'm up on the hill, so I just drop into the village of Goreme, or town, village, town, I don't really know. And then the guys on the motorbikes are going to basically come pick me up, and we're going to fly up to the next village along and go out for maybe a little bit of scran or a bit of sightseeing, that sort of thing. This hostel, by the way, in middle of Goreme, which is renowned for being expensive, I've somehow managed to get it for €4.50 for the night. So I'm a bit sceptical that when I get there they're going to tell me it's like a mistake on the internet or something, but that's not my problem. Right, bit of an update on the hostel situation. I got there and they were like, oh yeah, sorry, it's been a mistake. We put, his colleague put 4.50 in our hostel world instead of 27. So I'm not too sure how you can make that mistake. So I just explained that I don't have enough money to pay 27. I had a bit of an argument with him because he was going. I said I've only booked it because I've got a balloon tomorrow. Starts going on about, well, you know, you're saying you've no money but you're getting a balloon. It's like, well, listen mate, it's your problem, not mine. So anyway, bottom line, after a little bit of a barney, nothing much, I've paid €4.50. Free breakfast, free tea and coffee. There's a pool. We're laughing. So I've just come out to somewhere called Red Valley with the guys on the back of the motorbike. We're gonna have there's a little hike to do, basically up to the top of that hill. Nothing daft view here from Red Valley, which is pretty incredible. Look at this. Look at that. Scenes. This is fucking well cool. What are they doing? They've got a death wish. There's a couple of huts down there which have got doors on and windows.
Came from them from that, Charlie.
Huh?
Came from them from that, mate.
Yeah, I know, that'd be class. If I could get the bike down here, I'd do it. I think it'd be awkward getting it back out. We've sacked off going to the peak, and we're just gonna stay in the valleys in here. So the peak was over there, but I think this is gonna be a bit more cultural. Oh! hostel room in here for €4. Just me down there, and then there's an American girl who's there. There's no one else in here. It's fairly quiet, this hostel. There's not many people here, and then we've got like a little balcony I can't open. Yeah, not the best view, but it's alright, it'll do. Not a bad little spot. Tomorrow is the day of the hot air balloon. For those of you that don't know, I've basically like a year ago, I was like majorly scared of heights, like to a point where it was just absolutely ridiculous, and I was like, I can't live like this. So I've been on like a journey to conquer the fear, and I'm getting there slowly. So, but I've got like my friend took a clip of me when we were walking in England, like a couple of years ago, and I'll put that clip in just so you can see it. It's ridiculous.
You alright?
No, I want to go down.
Like this morning, it was fairly cold when I was watching the balloons. So I've got like long sleeve. It's not a jumper, but it's like a long sleeve, thicker than a t-shirt kind of top. An actual t-shirt and a jacket, like a coat, and then just a pair of trackies and some trainers and some socks and whatnot. So I'm not like loaded up, but make sure I'm kept fairly warm. Early night, it's like 9:10 now. Alarm set. This is the first alarm I've set since I was in England, so it's going to be a killer. Right, ready. Just leaving the hostel now. Let's get picked up. It's currently early, 20 to 6. Hello. Well on time. Lovely. How are you? You okay? Cool.
Goodie bag there. Bet I can't have any of that. Make it a hazelnut. Won't be having that.
Pretty impressive. I don't know how I thought they did it, but great big fans. Would have been nice to have already been in the air with those guys while the sunset's though. Mate, the Chinese are mad with the photos. They're obsessed with it. It's a bit weird.
Let's go.
This is a nice height. Let's just stay at this level. I don't want to go any higher than this. Glad there's no one like megaphone here. I'd be a bit worried if there were. I just asked the guy and he was saying a maximum of 165 balloons per day at any one time are allowed to fly, and today is the maximum, so there's 165 in the air. We're going back up. Why?
Yere koyuyoruz önce. Be careful, don't need landing position. Abi yine koyayım da sonra. Relax position. Yes. Wow.
Amazing.
Yes, she has beautiful pink one.
Two, three.
On that note, that's the hot air balloon ride finished and done with. I've got my certificate, fully fledged now. Still a couple of balloons in the air over there, but not many. It's like 8:30 now. I'm pretty hungry. Gonna go back and get some breakfast in the hostel, and then see what I'm gonna do for the rest of today. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.